These classics from the showcase side.
Is that freaking elote?
Yeah! We need that.
Not a single person on this cruise ship waved back at us.
It's a safety ship, guys.
We
We're going
waved
to
so
submarine.
freaking hard, and no one waved back.
Oh my god.
Dance to the music.
Whoa.
Hey guys, we are at the
really
freaking
intense.
pier. We're at the freaking pier. Wait, this isn't pier.
What is
I don't
this?
know what this is, guys. I think it might be a pier or
This
like
is
a dock
like
or
a.
something.
I think it's a dock.
So there's a dock, and there's a boat, and there's another boat, and then right up ahead,
There's like
also another
cargo.
I don't even know what that is.
Maybe we're not able to access it.
Yeah. We're not working out.
Oh my god, you lift your freaking legs here. My legs have been lifted. Guys, we just saw a battleship and it literally has the word sex in it. You guys.
You're not even going that fast. How was the experience?
Remember that time you were on the tire?
We're gonna, okay, guys, it is our last encounter.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We tried to go to Toadstool Cafe.
Oh my god. So long.
He's like 8 feet tall. Oh my gosh. It's really him. It's really him.
Oh my
All
god.
of them are there. All of them are there.
Except for the baby. The talking.
It's really them. Guys, we just passed by some diarrhea. There was diarrhea on the sidewalk. Meal reveal. Meal reveal. Let's look at the view. Oh.
Oh wait, we had a perfectly like cool sign of the Hollywood sign.
Yeah, we're in Hollywood. Are you guys effing serious?
It's gone!
What? They even took this thing out! Why? My god, no one wants these. Those freaking losers.
Wait, this is the other one too!
There's not a single LPS left.
Oh my god.
It's out of stock.
RIP. Okay.
What do we do?
Let me look at my bank account, guys. Because I do have to pay my things though.
Your rent?
No.
Oh. Ringo is still paying. It's been about 3 minutes.
This is what happens when you fold up all your cash, guys. Like, you literally fold up all your cash.
We are walking home.
We're walking back, guys.
I just spent $50 at the thrift store for 2 dresses and a skirt. So that was awesome.
Wait, you didn't buy the skirt?
Yeah, I bought the skirt.
Oh.
And I also bought some pins. Ringo is leaving again.
Guys, we're going home. I'm going home.
Ringo is going home.
See y'all.
There's butter.
Anyways, very fun day. I got what I needed, and I'm kind of hungry right now. So, I am not sure if I want to get food. But this is keeping me filled, you guys. This is a very nice milky shake. Very delicious.
Yummy.
Yummers. Oh! What a wonderful jump, guys.
That was really awesome.
The fire hydrant. I like to
Yeah, you have to poop and pee on those things. Everyone, please come over to my house and
pee.
pee.
Just start peeing all over this hydrant.
What?
Wait, what? I need a proper look on this.
She's sitting on the fire hydrant.
How did she do that?
Why did she do that? I have my honest review on this Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. It's in the shade. Wait a minute, this is the wrong. I have your. I have your lip balm. Wait, where's my lip balm? Wait, where's my lip balm?
Oh, dang it. My lip balm is in my room.
Let's go. Let's go back. I've been swatching my lips
You've been
all over this.
rubbing my lip balm all over your freaking
I am
mouth.
sorry. I thought it was freaking mine.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Butter saying bye to me.
Goodbye, butter.
Oh,
You don't like
awkward. Goodbye. Hashtag van life. Hashtag. Oh, tiny living. Oh,
What are you doing? You can sit on top of the thing, no?
Okay, Gab. Lang. One.
I have a freaking
thank you, Ringo.
Oh my gosh, thank you for everything. We should.
Guys, this stupid freaking cashier thought my name was Poop for some reason. Guys, my sister just sent $15 at the claw machine place. And we got no plushies. She's crying. Guys, we're back at the bus stop at Glendora.
We're back at the bus stop, dude. Are we excited?
I'm excited to go to the mall.
We in the bus.
Boss.
We in the bush.
Is this a nice bus? So basically, Rin lied to everyone and told us that the bus stopped at Chick-fil-A.
To the Chick-fil-A. Because I realized that we took the wrong bus, guys. That's fine.
Where's the Chick-fil-A?
It's further down.
Run! Start running! Start running! Oh my gosh! Was it because I screamed? Was that because I screamed?
Yeah.
Are they showing up on camera?
No.
You don't even know. Oh. Oh. Yeah, they are.
Dang, those are loud parrots.
We're at the mall.
We're walking, guys.
We're walking towards the...
Keep
We're
walking.
walking. Walk faster. Walk faster. We're walking towards the Forever 21 with great urgency. I just got the sickest sweater for $10.
I have 0 points now, guys. I used up all my points.
And Rin got the sickest dress for freaking free.
I know. I got my dress for free.
Oh wait. Oh, Daddy's gonna open the door for you.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.